Hello, it's Blazor School, and today you're going to learn Blazor WebAssembly.NET 6 from the beginning. I'm extremely excited to be doing this series because this series is going to just really give you guys some extremely basic knowledge on Blazor. This is the stuff that most programmers just don't actually think about, don't know about, and let me tell you about this series. It's going to be the fundamentals as I mentioned a second ago, and basically I'm going through every single area in Blazor like debugging, component, directive, dependency injection, form, and API interaction. Basically what I was thinking about is for a lot of programmers, they know how to do their tasks, but they don't know how to do it correctly, and as a result they don't get that good. They get stuck at just work solution or even worse. And hopefully with this knowledge you guys can boost your boundaries and become a better programmer. Also, I want to tell you guys that if you have been struggling with Blazor and you're looking to get to the next level, I'm going to able to help you literally with a book. I'm going to give you guys that are going to make it unbelievably clear on what you need to do. And if you're stuck in Blazor, you want to become a technical lead. But like actually you want to become much better at Blazor and you want to take it more seriously, the book is going to help you to do that. So click the link down below. I'm going to help you get to the next level, and I will see you there. Alright, let's start with today's learning. The first thing you need to know that is always eligible to this series. Whoever familiar with C#, HTML and CSS, if you have done some website in ASP.NET Web API is a plus, but that's not a requirement. If you don't have tools I have mentioned, come back again when you are ready. I'm always here and I don't want to waste your time. This tutorial will introduce you to Blazor WebAssembly for .NET 6. This tutorial includes what makes Blazor a standout framework, the history of Blazor, hosting models in comparison, tutorial series, and about Blazor School. What makes Blazor a standout framework? Started in 2018, Blazor is developed by Microsoft as a single-page application framework. Most existing single-page application frameworks like Angular, Vue, React built with TypeScript or JavaScript language. Blazor in the construct use C# to build the website, then the code will be compiled to WebAssembly and run directly on the browser. Blazor also optimizes the communication between browser and server by using WebAssembly instead of traditional JSON. In summary, build a website with a strong tile language, in this case C#. Optimize the communication between the client and server by using WebAssembly. Optimize performance by using WebAssembly to execute logic on the browser. Requires zero to minimal JavaScript knowledge to build a website compatible with existing JavaScript libraries. The history of Blazor. The initial release of Blazor includes several hosting models like Blazor Server, Blazor WebAssembly, Blazor BWA, Blazor Native, Blazor Hybrid, and created quite confusion for the community because there are so many versions of Blazor and one can't decide what to use. Realizing that confusing, Microsoft simplified Blazor into two hosting models, Blazor server and Blazor WebAssembly. Hosting models in comparison. The following tables is the comparisons between the Blazor server and the Blazor WebAssembly technology. Keep in mind that for a full functional Blazor WebAssembly, you will need to combine with the backend technology like Azure Function, gRPC, or ASP.NET Web API. The tutorial series. After attending this tutorial series, you will gain confidence in website development with Blazor WebAssembly. This tutorial series is for beginner level with the following main points. First, you will build an online store website to get an overview about Blazor WebAssembly. Then next, you will learn how to work with components, and later understand directive, dependency injection, and how to use forms and how to interact with the API. Since 9 December 2021, Blazor School became a community documentation for Blazor. You can visit at blazor-school.com. You can also contribute to the content by creating a pull request to the project repository. Link in the homepage blazor-school.com.